Welcome to our video on top 9 must-have outdoor camping and adventure gear. Whether you're a seasoned explorer or a weekend camper, having the right equipment can make all the difference. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 9. The Nature Hike Climbing Backpack is your ultimate companion for outdoor adventures. With a massive 65-liter capacity, this military-grade mountaineering backpack is built for durability and convenience. It comes equipped with a rain cover, ensuring your gear stays dry during unexpected downpours. Its ergonomic design provides excellent weight distribution, making it perfect for long hikes or climbs. Whether you're camping, trekking, or simply traveling, this backpack delivers unmatched reliability and performance. Number 8. This 200 milliliter stainless steel camping mug is a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. Featuring a unique carabiner handle, it easily attaches to your backpack, saving space and hassle. The double-wall stainless steel design ensures durability and insulation, keeping your beverages warm or cold. With a smooth surface and compact size, this mug is perfect for any adventure, from hiking to climbing. It also makes an excellent gift for fellow travelers. Number 7. The FlexTail Gear Zero Pump redefines portability and efficiency. Weighing just 34 grams, this compact powerhouse can inflate your sleeping pad in 50 seconds and handle up to 25 pads on a single charge. It includes 6 multi-purpose nozzles compatible with most inflatable gear, making it a versatile choice for camping or beach outings. Designed with patented micromotor technology, it's the perfect blend of performance and convenience, ensuring you're always ready for a comfortable rest outdoors. Number 6. The AGM Pad P2 Active Tablet combines rugged durability with cutting-edge technology. Built for outdoor use, its waterproof, drop-proof, and dust-resistant design ensures resilience in any environment. Powered by an MTK G99 processor with 8 gigs RAM and expandable storage up to 1 terabyte, it's perfect for storing maps, entertainment, and tools. Its 11-inch FHD display, 90 Hz refresh rate, and quad speakers provide an immersive experience for movies and gaming. Plus, the 8,000 mAh battery ensures longevity for extended trips. Number 5. Bring warmth and ambiance to your campsite with the Fire Maple Orange Gas Lantern. Weighing just 140 grams, this lantern is ultra-portable and easy to use. Made from anodized aluminum, stainless steel, and borosilicate glass, it's as durable as it is stylish. The adjustable valve lets you control brightness, while compatibility with large propane canisters with an adapter ensures versatility. Whether you're hiking, backpacking, or camping, this lantern adds a touch of coziness to your adventures. Number 4. The Tak Vason winter hiking pants are designed for maximum comfort and functionality in cold weather. Made from waterproof, windproof softshell fabric, these pants are ideal for skiing, camping, and other outdoor activities. With reinforced knees, breathable material, and 4 zipper pockets, they combine practicality and durability. Whether you're hiking rugged trails or enjoying casual outdoor activities, these thermal pants ensure you stay warm and protected. Number 3. Cook delicious meals wherever you go with this foldable camping gas stove. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, while the powerful 2600 watts and 3500 watts heat outputs ensure quick and efficient cooking. Made from stainless steel, brass, and aluminum alloy, it's built to last. The triangular support design offers excellent stability, allowing you to use large cookware on any terrain. Perfect for camping, picnics, and even home use, this stove is a reliable cooking companion. Number 2. The Nextool Outdoor Shovel is the ultimate survival multi-tool, featuring 7 functions, including a hoe, axe, hammer, saw, knife, and more. It's an essential item for camping, hiking, and emergency situations. Made with high-quality materials, this folding shovel is durable, lightweight, and portable. Whether you're digging trenches or chopping wood, the Nextool ensures you're prepared for any outdoor challenge. Number 1. Say goodbye to cold feet with these USB heated shoe insoles. Designed for unisex use, these leather insoles provide consistent warmth through activated carbon heating. Powered by USB, they're easy to use and compatible with most shoes. Ideal for winter sports, camping, and other outdoor activities, these insoles keep your feet cozy and comfortable in freezing temperatures. That wraps up our list. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews and top picks. Until next time, take care.